Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Throttle Buddies video. This is going to be part 2 of the Sturn cleanup vid. We have some equipment and like a dumpster that we rented, so we're going to go to town, hopefully knock it all out today. Clean up a lot of trash, like concrete debris, stuff like that, and fill in all the ditches, make it a lot more of a safe spot to drive. So, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm driving down there right now. Running a little bit behind, of course, typical. Boys are moving earth down here. Justin's in the rig. Matt's over there. We got a dumpster, so that's great. We're gonna use this for a majority of the concrete waste. It's not big enough to really fill it all the way, but we're gonna get all this shit out of here and clean up all these holes, clean up all the trash. Make this place a better place again, so we can, you know, drive safely and enjoy ourselves. Woo! Here we got the foreman crew. Well, it seems like this is doing pretty good work.
The pre-roll I came with fell out of my pocket. It's gone.
Yes. This is why we needed some heavy equipment, man. Look at all that work. Justin just did like a little skid in it. Are we gonna push this down there? Alright, let me put my sissy hands away.
I mean, the machine's working. Making sure it's jumping.
Pedro's in the beast. Dragging bit, 1 second. Now we're working on filling in some of these ditches. We can get guys with shovels, spread that around. Justin's coaching, Pedro's in there. Yeah, we're making good work of this. We definitely have some hours to go, but so far so good. It's definitely a lot better than it used to be, even already. Used to have like dirt coming into the road right here with debris on the road. We still gotta scoop a lot of this shit, but filling all of our ditches, clean up all this trash, throw it in the dumpster. Heck yeah. Trying to get to the back of the hill. Pedro almost flipped this damn thing. He was going ham, digging a hole. I thought it was gonna flip.
It wasn't gonna go up.
It's too heavy on the bottom to flip.
Yeah,
But
the dirt was like real soft. It was just kind of kicking the dirt out.
that was pretty funny though.
Like, come on, baby. It just kept like drifting off the side of the dirt.
Yeah, it started going to the right. Alright, we got Justin Daddy back. He's working himself a path. really stuck. Put a little bit of dirt under his wheels. She's stuck, it's stuck. All right, we got her unstuck. Just took a couple of rocks and boards and shit. I think Justin's gonna go drive around the other side, try to get in on this side so he can push earth over the mountain and down. But this, like, you know, besides like it being mostly like garbage, well, not just garbage, but like weeds and stuff, it's looking much better. Trying to fill it in, and then we'll drive over it a couple times, compact it down, get some actual good dirt over there, and then use that for the top layer. All right, here comes Justin, plowing her over. Oh, it's soft over there. Great, that sucks. She's soft as hell. You gotta get that wally out of there so we don't lose it. Dude, look how soft it was back here. Look how soft. That's really soft.
This is a really hard hill. This hill is hard as fuck. So like he was trying to push it and it just doesn't move.
It's so funny to watch a little skid like drive through the desert like that. It looks like some weird like sub-apocalyptic like Wall-E film or some shit. It reminds me of Wall-E.
Yeah, the operator's getting fucked up on this little buddy right there taking off.
Oh shit. He's like, fuck, you're fucking up my landscape. So Justin's been working away on the skid, grabbing material over here, and filling the ditch all the way around the back. This stuff is pretty soft, so we're gonna have to like drive some trucks over it, try and pack it down, get another layer on it. But yeah, good progress so far. We're doing our best out here with what we got. So that's pretty good stuff we got. So glad thing we got the rental. Everybody's over here working their booties off. This portion over here is looking much better. We still gotta like drive a truck over it to really like whack it down. But hey, it's that life, you know. This shit's looking way better. I'm very excited. Look at this guy. He's a witch. Gabe's about to take off. I didn't bring my car. I'm a bitch ass.
I brought my car, but I didn't bring the tires.
So we've been working on this side a little bit, trying to grade it flat and get back there to that concrete pile of rubble. Get that out of there, get it in the dumpster. Other side's looking a lot better too. We just gotta start really focusing, once we're done with this side and that side, start focusing on the 2 apex drops. And then past that apex, there's another like ditch. But things are moving along smoothly, and Justin's putting in a lot of work. Big Daddy. And things are, look at this guy, he's running, he's a mech. Thanks, Justin. He's working real hard. And my camera battery's low, like an idiot. I didn't charge my camera. So we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Now Matt's driving it. Justin's showing him how to work it. Having fun? Yeah. So everything's looking a lot better. We're kind of sweeping up now. We're still working on a few spots, a few little junk concretes, But the neighbors showed up with another Bobcat and a big ass front loader. Dude, that thing is so huge.
That's fucking awesome.
Everybody's playing in the sand. These guys are helping us out. Killing it. This thing is huge, man. Four-wheel steering. He's cutting into it, sending it back a little. Making it a little safer for us. Hell yeah. This is awesome. This is greater than I ever wished. This guy is clearing out this corner pretty good, but we're gonna try to get him to go to the other corner because that apex over there is like a blind apex. We'd love to have it pushed back. We should see if he can far enough. Yeah, we should see if he can clear out the other apex. Alright, he's heading over to the big apex. Thank you! Here he goes, pushing it in. Yeah! Hell yeah! That's exciting shit. That's gonna change everything. So these guys have literally like moved mountains for us. It's crazy. I drove that cat for a little while. That was like seriously the funnest thing I've done in a long time. But this guy's doing the heavy work right here. He's really just blasting these big old concrete mountains down. It's seriously changing the entire spot. It's fantastic. Now if we're coming out of the court down here, we can see people coming down the straight and it's a lot safer. That's why most people like to drive Sturn at night now, but that's gonna change everything. This guy's doing some crazy shit. So we're just about done. This is pretty much where we're at. This guy helped us out greatly with that big front loader. But all the ditches are filled almost. And we're just kind of trying to get the road swept off. Yep, from out here to in here, it's looking so much better. We're just trying to fill this back ditch in. It's kind of like a dirt drop point. My camera's pretty much dead though. Hell yeah, brothers! Right now, Armis is just doing this last ditch. I got to operate that skid steer, and man, that thing is like the funnest thing I've ever done. I'm like addicted to it. I think I'm gonna become a construction worker now, so it's super addicting. Pedro's like, let me go back in, please. So here we are at the end product. Looking good. Steven and Reese is up here on this new bench that somebody brought down here. It's pretty sick. Yeah, my camera's about to die, so ooh, I'm gonna cut that part out. But huh? Yeah, just some random ass shit. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. The spot is much better now. We're gonna clean up a little bit more trash too. My camera just died, but like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more shit. Yeah, we made it much nicer down here. Stay tuned, guys. Bye.